how do you say, what is that saying exactly
In German?
In German.
Die Türkei schon fremd, aber Deutschland noch nicht Heimat.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So the saying is Turkey's already foreign and Germany's not yet home, because it only exists in a Turkish diaspora context, within like the Turkish-German context, because like Turkish people in Turkey wouldn't know that this is even a saying.
Yeah.
But because there is like such a huge community of Turkish people in Germany, but they still feel like they don't really belong to Germany, because even though I am a third generation immigrant, my parents were even born in Germany, and I was born in Germany, but still I'm not seen as German.
Do you have the German citizenship?
I have the citizenship, yeah. I have the citizenship and everything, but I'm still seen only as Turkish. But I don't relate to Turkey.
But what is beautiful about your phrase, about the proverb, is that it's something that is only for a community.
Yes.
That is very special, because, as you said, it's about the Turkish community in Germany.
Yeah.
But it's not a phrase that you can use in another context. It's only for you.
But we do have sayings, which there's one which says, wherever you go, you should dress like you are like the natives.
Ah, really?
So you are always integrated into the larger population. One of those sayings that elders tell you when you're going somewhere, that whenever you go to a new place, you should try to dress up like natives, do what the natives do.
Yeah, that's interesting, because for us it's really important to still like stay true to our culture, also through our clothes, like the hijab. That's like part of me to stay connected as well to my culture. Kind of.
Ich war in Berlin nur zweimal.
But Germans kind of sometimes tell us you're only integrated if you don't wear this. So it's interesting how like in your culture they say like it's okay to kind of leave that behind, you know.
Yeah.
It definitely would make it easier. Like I think life would be easier in Germany if I wouldn't wear the headscarf, but I want to wear it, so I mean, it's my freedom, so I just do it.
Yeah.
In Turkey?
Yeah, actually, like Turkish people love their
they have a lot of phrase, right?
They love it, and they are really melodramatic as well.
Yeah.
Melodramatic.
Do you have an example, like of
I only know
something very, very dramatic about
I only know about like gurbet, and even the word you can't translate it, because it means being in the exile. Gurbet, but it's so much more than that. It means not being home. It means being kind of alone. It's so much meaning in this word. Yeah, it means everything that's connected to being outside of Turkey, and they call us the gurbetçiz, because it's like we are the ones that we are die Verkörperung dessen. Die Verkörperung, the
body,
the embodiment, the embodiment of the word. We are living the word, basically.
Now I can think of a saying which is quite close to the one that you've chosen.
Yeah.
In Hindi we have a saying, na ghar ka hona na bahar ka, which means ghar is home and bahar is outside, like not home. So you don't belong to your house and you don't belong outside. So you belong nowhere anymore.
Yeah.